In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a personal loan on Monzo. Easy process. First, open your Monzo app. Make sure you're logged in and that your app is up to date so you see the latest loan options. A strong internet connection helps the screens load quickly. From the home screen, you'll be able to access borrowing features right inside the app without calling or visiting a branch. Next, tap Get a Loan. This button usually appears in the borrowing section or on the home screen if you're eligible. If you don't see it, the app may simply not be offering you a loan right now based on its checks. That's normal. Monzo reviews factors like your account history and credit information to decide when to show offers. Now choose how much you want to borrow. Use the slider or input field to set the amount that fits your needs. You'll typically be able to adjust the repayment term too, which changes your monthly payments and total cost. Take a moment to balance affordability with how quickly you want to pay the loan back. A shorter term can mean less interest overall, but higher monthly payments. A longer term lowers the monthly cost but increases the total interest. Before you apply, check the details carefully. Review the interest rate, the representative APR, your monthly payment, the repayment date each month, and the total amount you'll repay over the life of the loan. Read the key documents and pre-contract information so you understand fees, any early repayment options, and what happens if a payment is missed. If the app asks you to confirm your income or address, provide accurate information. At this point, Monzo may run a credit check to finalize your eligibility and rate. When everything looks right, tap Accept Loan. By doing this, you're agreeing to the terms and setting up repayments, usually by direct debit from your Monzo account. If you can choose a repayment date, pick one that aligns with when you get paid to help avoid missed payments. Make sure you're comfortable with the commitment before confirming. Finally, get your money. Once approved, the funds typically arrive in your Monzo account quickly, often within minutes. You'll see a new loan section in the app where you can track your balance, view your schedule, and manage repayments. Turn on notifications to stay on top of due dates, and consider setting aside your monthly amount as soon as you're paid. If you want to pay extra or settle early, check the terms in the app to see how that affects interest. And that's it. Simple, clear, and all handled inside the Monzo app.